Item 6, divide 12x raised to 7 y cubed plus 8x raised to 6 y to the 4th minus 24x to the 8th y to the 9th by 2x to the 4th y squared. So, rewrite ko lang muna yung ating given. Meron tayong 12x to the 7th y cubed plus 8x to the 6 y to the 4th minus 24x to the 8th y to the 9th divided by 2x to the 4th y squared. Now, pansin natin dito, walang common yan, right? So, we cannot combine like terms. So, ang gagawin ko, I'm going to divide this one part by part. So, unahin ko ito. This part, i-divide ko siya dito. And then, ito na part, i-divide ko siya by dito. And then, ito na part, i-divide ko dito. So, ganito lang yan. So, again, ang aking ano pa rin, let me just draw the line. Or I think I'm going to erase that. Isa-isahin natin ha, isa-isahin natin. So, meron tayong ito. Ito, divided by ito. 12 divided by 2, that is 6, di ba? So, meron tayong 6. Tapos, x raised to 7 over x raised to 4. Meron tayong x cubed. Tapos, ito magiging y. Okay? So, simula pa lang, ito, wala na yan. Yan, wala na. So, we are left with A and B. Let's try the second one. Meron tayong 8 divided by 2. That is, again, copy the operation. Plus 4. Tapos, 6 minus 4, that is 2. So, meron kang x squared. Tapos, y squared. So far, ito, pasok. Minus 24 divided by 2, that is 12. Tapos, 8 minus 4, that is just 4. Tapos, 9 minus 2, that is just 7. So, ito yung ating sagot. Which of those choices ang pareho dito? That is actually letter A, no? So, ang sagot natin sa number 6 is letter A.